Now it's time for you to speak in English. If you have watched all the videos of this playlist step by step, that means you have everything in your hand to make any sentence in English. And of course, still you can make mistakes while speaking in English. And it's very natural and normal. Even the native speakers make mistakes while speaking in English. So in this final video, I'm gonna share some tips and tricks that you can follow if you want to speak more fluently, more confidently, and more naturally. So relax and be confident, and let's take your spoken English fluency to the next level. The first tip that I want to share with you to improve your English fluency is daily practice. Please practice your English every day. When you will practice your English every day, then your brain will be affected positively and it will start working in your favor. So don't skip a single day. Use your every day. The duration can be very short. It can be 30 minutes or you can even take 20 minutes to practice your English, but do practice. When you will practice your English every day, your subconscious mind will be activated. And you know, the beauty of subconscious mind is something special. You can see the beauty of subconscious mind when you speak in Bangla. You don't have any pressure to pick the words, make the sentences. You don't have any grammatical pressure in your head. And for this reason, you can express anything in Bangla. But while speaking in English, you can't even make a single sentence. Why? Because you don't practice. So the secret, the tips that you can follow, daily practice. Please practice your English, and I'm sure that at the end of the day, that means after practicing few days, you will see the difference between your first day and your last day. You'll notice the improvement. And please do your practice every day. The second tip that I'm going to share with you is combine your grammars and vocabularies. You know that any meaningful English sentence is the result of using some important English grammar and vocabularies. So now question may arise, how I can have a good command in English grammar and how I can know the vocabularies that will be needed to make any sentence. To know the vocabularies, you don't need to go to a library and buy a dictionary, and you don't need to memorize all the vocabularies from the dictionary, because you need to be very choosy at the time of selecting the vocabularies, because you need the vocabularies that are commonly used in our daily spoken English. Here is a good news. I have a better collection of vocabularies that are commonly used in our daily spoken English. If you just learn all of them, then you will be able to make any sentence in English. If you need it, make a comment. I will send you the PDF file of this vocabulary sheet so that you can get the solution of learning the vocabularies that will be needed to make any sentence. And for the grammatical part, you know that I have uploaded all the videos related to every grammars that will be needed for you to have a good command in English grammar. So if you watch all of the videos step by step, then you will be able to use any grammatical rules. That means you will get the solution to both of the problems or issues from my side. So I hope that this second tip will help you to do better in your English fluency. My third tip for you to improve your English fluency is very simple but very effective. You just need to create an English environment within yourself. You need to think in English. You should practice describing anything that is going on around you. If you practice to describe anything that is going on or happening around you, your brain will get trained up. And after practicing for a few days, your brain will support you to make the sentences or describe anything automatically. And this is called the fluency level that you need to have at the time of speaking. So please Create an environment. Suppose now you are watching me, you can say, I am watching an English learning video. You may eat rice now, so you can say, I am eating rice. Or you can say that I will learn English as you are here to watch the video related to learning English. So the environment should be in English. So your thinking or your thought should be in English. Then you will create an English environment within yourself, and it will help you to have a positive impact on your fluency level. The next step is you need to find a speaking partner with whom you can make real life conversations. He or she can be one of your family members, one of your friends, or even a group. That means you need a better speaking partner so that you can be on the track, you can get motivation to continue your daily practice so that you can do better in your English improvement. I hope that having a better partner, that means at the time of speaking, can create a positive impact and huge impact on your spoken English fluency. So try to find a better speaking partner. My final tip is for you. Please don't focus on speaking fast and making big sentences. Instead, you can try to make simple but correct sentences at first. When you will be able to make correct sentences, but they can be simple, your speed will come automatically. You know that you are a very beginner. You are a new driver here. So you should drive your car very carefully and slowly. And when you will drive the car, you will practice to drive the car for a long time, then you will be able to control your car and you will be able to be with the highest speed of the car. Otherwise, now if you want to be with the highest speed, then you may have accident. And the damage of this accident can be huge. So please be careful and please try to make simple but correct sentences. Don't focus on your speed. Your speed will come naturally. So I hope that you will follow all the tips and very soon you will be a very good speaker. Thank you very much for being with me throughout the course, and I hope that this course will create a huge impact on your improvement. If you think that this course can create any positive impact on anyone's fluency level, so don't forget to share the video, share the course with your familiars or on your social media so that everyone can get benefited after watching the video. So thank you very much. I will catch you in another video. Until then, take care and stay blessed.